During the opening remarks, CEO H.S. Kim unveiled Samsung's vision of robots as life companions, and introduced Ballie, a small, rolling robot. The ball-like robot claims to understand and support the user by relating to their needs. The robot is designed to help the consumer around their smart home. Samsung adds that Ballie uses its AI capabilities to become a security robot, a fitness assistant, a friend to kids and pets, and also a helpful tool for senior citizens. In a demo by the company during the keynote showed Ballie following Samsung Consumer Electronics Division CEO Kim on stage. Moreover, it also gave robotic chimes in response to some of the commands given. Apart from this, the demo video shown by the company during the keynote highlighted how Ballie can become part of the daily routine of the user. The demo video showed Ballie opening the curtains and turning the TV from vertical to horizontal position for the dog. Samsung further adds that Ballie will be able to call for help if it sees that someone has fallen and not able to get up. This means that it will turn out to be quite helpful for senior citizens.